Founded in 1991, Rearo's Commercial Department are Scotland's leading manufacturer of washrooms and supplier of laminate surfaces for commercial applications, covering all sectors such as education, food and hospitality, healthcare, retail, transport, leisure and more. Based in Glasgow within a 67,000 square foot manufacturing facility, we service throughout the UK mainland with our own service fleet through our branch network, Rosyth, Washington, Skelmersdale and Northampton. We are here for you. We can get involved at an early stage and assist with NBS specifications and advise architects and designers with the correct products to use to fit their brief and budget pre-tender. We aim to make the process as easy as possible, carry out comprehensive site surveys and measure to produce detailed CAD drawings for sign-off prior to manufacture, making the order and manufacturing process seamless. We understand schedules and deadlines. We produce goods quickly, fitting in with agreed contractors' programme, and are able to react quickly if things change on site. From our birth in Shetland, we have an affinity with the natural world. Environmental sustainability is key to our beliefs. All materials we use are FSC certified. So join our long list of happy customers and get in touch to discuss your next commercial project today.